Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So if you see the chart of Bank Nifty, yesterday we had discussed if Bank Nifty goes below 33,750, then you can sell Bank Nifty, and in that case it can fall till 33,450, 33,350, and today's low was around 33,500, and then Bank Nifty remained in a range. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty goes above 33,750, then you can buy Bank Nifty. 33,600 will act as a support, and on the higher side it can go till 33,900 to 34,000. If we see a opening below 33,600, then Bank Nifty can remain negative, and after breaking 33,500, Bank Nifty can easily touch 33,300, 33,200 in the coming sessions. And now let's see Nifty. So in Nifty we had discussed you can sell it below 15,800, and today we saw opening around 15,770. From that bounced and it went till 15,800 something, and from there we saw selling pressure, and the first target of 15,700 was almost achieved. The day low was around 15,710. From there we saw a good recovery in Nifty. So tomorrow if Nifty opens below 15,780, then it can remain negative. The first target will be around 15,700. If you see a negative sign on chart, you can sell Nifty. And since the support is already tested once, if it breaks, then Nifty can touch 15,600 too. But tomorrow if we see a flat opening, and then if Nifty crosses 15,925, then Nifty can go till 16,000 to 16,100 in the coming sessions. So now let's see our today's stock. So our today's stock is Wipro, and if you see, after selling pressure, Wipro is slowly trying to recover, and today it has made a good bullish candle. So you can buy Wipro above 431, and the target will be around 440, 450, and for this trade you will have to maintain a stop loss at 419 or 415 as per your risk appetite. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.